In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Quotex account login if it's not working. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the official Quotex login page. It's important that you ensure you're heading to the correct and official site, so double check the URL just to be safe. A quick tip here is that using bookmarks can save you from visiting any phishing sites in the future. Once you're certain you're on the right page, go ahead and input your email address and password in the respective fields. Make sure that there are no typos or errors in your email or password entries, as even the smallest mistake can prevent you from logging in. After you've entered your details, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. Now, if you find that despite entering your details correctly, you're unable to log in, don't worry. There's a way to reset your password. Look for the Forgot Your Password link on the login page and click on it. This will guide you toward the password recovery page. On this page, you'll be prompted to type in your registered email address. Once done, click on the Confirm Email button. This action will trigger an email being sent to your registered email account. Check your inbox for the email you receive from Quotex and follow the steps provided within it to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password, combining letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance your account security. Once you've successfully reset your password, head back to the Quotex login page and try to log in with your newly set password. If you're still having trouble accessing your account, it might be tied to internet connection issues. Double check that your internet connection is stable and that there are no interruptions. It's also worth noting that the accessibility of Quotex might be restricted in certain regions, so ensure that it's available in your area. And there you have it. These steps should help you troubleshoot and resolve any login issues you're facing with your Quotex account. Remember, secure connections, passwords, and confirming you're on the official website can prevent many common login problems. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.